Number 35, write the equation line through 3, 8 and negative 3, 4 in slope-intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b. Okay, the first thing we got to do is get the slope. So m equals delta y over delta x. You're going to draw a fraction bar. Put your minus bars up here. Your y's are 8 and 4. Your x's are 3 and negative 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus a negative 3 is 6. This simplifies to 2 over 3. That's going to be our m. I'm going to use this point, make this my x, this my y. We're going to do point slope form. Okay, our y is going to be 8. Our slope is 2 over 3. And our x is 3. The next thing you want to do is distribute this slope. So I'm going to keep my y minus 8 equals 2 over 3 times x is 2 over 3x. 2 over 3 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. A positive times a negative is a negative, so minus 2. Move my 8 over. Same stuff over and over. Y equals 2 over 3x plus 6. Ho, 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 ho. Number 36, write the given equation in slope-intercept and standard form. Okay, so slope-intercept is y equal mx plus b, and standard form is ax plus by equals c. Okay, so right here, let's distribute our 3. So we'll get y minus 11 equals 3x minus 6. Okay, I'm going to go over here and do standard. Let's make this, well, hold on. Move the 11 over. You get y equals 3x plus 5. That's your slope-intercept, right? Now then, to get standard, move the 3x over. Remember, x can't start with a negative, so switch all the signs. 3x minus y. This is your standard form. So this is slope-intercept. This is standard. You've got to be able to go from here to here to here. Got to. Okay, so right here, let's get rid of the negative. So we got y minus 10 equals negative x plus 2. I'm going to move the 10 across. I'm going to get y equal negative x plus 12. I'm going to add the 10, aren't I? So this right here is my slope-intercept. So my slope would be negative 1 and my y-intercept would be 12. My slope would be negative 1, my y-intercept would be 12. To make it look like this, I'm going to move the x across. If you move the x across, it changes from a negative to a positive. This is, bam, standard. We don't have to do any math. So we just move the x over here, and now we got standard. The x and y-intercepts would be 12, wouldn't they? And finally, this right here is our slope in it. This is already in point slope form, but we want it in, this is point slope form, we want it in slope intercept. So let's take our 3 over 2 and distribute it. We'll get y minus 5 equals 3 over 2x plus 3 times 4 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. Move over the 5. So plus 5, y equals 3 over 2x plus 11. That was a blast. That's your slope-intercept form. Now then, I'm going to rewrite it over here so we can get our standard. We can't have a fraction in standard, so let's get rid of the fraction. 2y equals, the 2's cancel out, 3x plus 22. Now we need to move our x over, right? Negative 3x plus 2y equals 22. Can the x be negative? No. So switch all the signs. So 3x minus 2y equals negative 22 would be the standard form. So slope-intercept standard, slope-intercept standard, slope-intercept standard. Make sure you can switch these. Very important.